In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use search in Outlook to find emails fast. Let's jump right in so you can quickly surface the messages you need without scrolling endlessly. First, open Outlook. Once it's up, click directly in the search box at the top of your mailbox. That single click activates the search tab in the ribbon, which reveals powerful tools you won't see otherwise. Think of this as unlocking a set of filters and options designed to narrow your results in seconds. You can start by using specific fields right in the search box. If you know who sent the email, type from sender name with quotes around the name. If you remember the subject line or a key phrase in it, type subject. Subject name. Using these fields helps Outlook zero in on exactly what you are looking for, and quotes tell it to match that exact wording rather than loose variations. If you are hunting for messages that include files, add has attachments, yes. This is especially useful when you need to find a document a colleague sent, but can't recall the exact title. Pairing has attachments, yes with from or subject makes it even more precise. For timing, Outlook understands natural date filters. Type received yesterday to focus on messages from the previous day. This is great for catching up after a day away. Keep in mind, you are guiding Outlook to filter by the date the email arrived, not when it was read. On the right side of the search bar, open the filters to see advanced search options. This panel helps you refine without needing to memorize search keywords. Here, use the scope drop-down to choose whether you want to search just the current mailbox, all Outlook items if you are not sure where the email lives, or subfolders to stay focused within a specific section. Within the Search tab, the Refine group gives you quick access to common filters like from, subject, or categorized. These buttons automatically build the right search structure for you, which reduces typing and prevents typos. For speedy narrowing, select has attachments or unread to slice your results down to what matters most right now. If you are looking for older messages, open the date section and set a start and end date. This range search is perfect when you remember the general time frame but not the exact day, allowing you to scan a focused history without pulling in your entire mailbox. Combine these techniques as needed, and you'll find emails fast with minimal effort. Thanks for watching.